Hey everyone, my name is Ian Miller and welcome back to our maintenance show. Today I'm going to show you how to save yourself in the backcountry for approximately $3. All you need to do is start with this side release buckle. This is going to come in handy in case you break your waist belt buckle on your backpack. So this side release buckle is made of an acetate plastic, which is not stronger than rocks. It's not stronger than car doors being slammed on it. It's not stronger than mountaineering boots or ski boots stomping on it. It is vulnerable to break. Let's just start with this buckle. You can see here, it is a dual adjust, which means it has two slots here for the webbing to go through. It has it on both sides. Now that's really important that you have both sides with the two slots on it. And again, that's called dual adjust. The size for this buckle is 38 millimeters. And as you can see again, the price costs 350 yen, which is about the equivalent of $3 US. It's gonna be really hard to see, but generally most of these buckles have an imprint of the model number, and just look for the number 38 because they are usually measured in metric, and if not, just look for the inch equivalent, which is 1.5. So now I'm just going to show you how to quickly change a broken buckle out while you're in the field. Let's just imagine for the sake of the video that this buckle is broken and unusable. In that case, I would remove the broken buckle from the strap if I could, but you do not have to. So you're going to take the opposite end of the webbing, which is right here, and you're just going to pull it like this, and you can see that the plastic buckle is now going to be on the inside of the belt, not on the outside as it was here. So basically everything is going to be reversed. So you'll take this strap, I'm going to take one end of the buckle. So I'm simply just going to thread it through the tension lock. Now you'll notice there's a triangle peak here. I'm going to push it through like that because that will be the easiest way for me to grab the end of it and work it through. Different buckles will have a different gap size here, so some of them might be more difficult. So don't get too frustrated if you do have a tight space. Just be patient and work it through. So we'll go through the next one. And just like that, we are through. So we've got one side done. We'll move to the next side and we'll just repeat the same steps. There we go. So you can see here, now our buckle is in place and we can close it. You'll notice previously the belt pulled from the outside inward. Now your belt pulls from the center and out like this. So that might cause a little pinch on your stomach depending how much you can tolerate. But in general, most bags are made with this center style pullout. It is not as comfortable as what we use, but it definitely does work. So there you go. That should save you while in the field. For guys who are doing workshops, guiding, all those kinds of activities where you're responsible for a bunch of people, I really recommend putting one of these buckles in your bag because the weight of a camera bag can be quite a burden over a long day. For many of the adventures we like to get into, they do require quite a bit of effort, and something like this can make a really big difference if your buckle breaks. We'll see you next time on our maintenance series. In the meantime, pick up an Explorer 40 and enjoy your day. Take care.